Hey there, students! Today I'm going to take you on a quick journey through the rich tapestry of cultural diversity in Canada. Buckle up, because we've got a lot to cover in just 2 minutes. First off, let's define culture. Culture is the shared set of beliefs, values, customs, and practices that a group of people holds. It's what makes us unique and shapes our view of the world. Now, to truly understand Canada's cultural diversity, we need to look at some key theories and principles. One important concept is multiculturalism, which celebrates the coexistence of diverse cultures. This means recognizing and valuing the variety of cultural backgrounds that make up Canadian society. Next, let's talk terminology. Terms like cultural assimilation, where minority cultures gradually adopt the customs of the dominant culture, and cultural pluralism, where diverse groups maintain their unique cultural identities while coexisting peacefully, are crucial. Understanding these terms helps us appreciate the complexity of cultural interactions in Canada. Cultural qualities and values are the heart of any culture. These include things like language, traditions, and social norms. For example, in Canada, values like politeness, inclusivity, and respect for diversity are deeply ingrained. Lastly, let's investigate cultural commonalities and variables. Cultural commonalities are aspects that different cultures share, like the importance of family or celebrations. On the other hand, cultural variables are the unique elements that distinguish one culture from another, such as specific holidays or culinary practices. Understanding these concepts not only enriches our knowledge, but also fosters a more inclusive and empathetic society. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep celebrating the beautiful diversity that makes Canada so special. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more insightful content. See you next time.